Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another review video. So previously I was made this video. Now I make a review video. Before I introduce my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Here is the two part. One part crypto related video uploaded in this site, and other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information, please subscribe and press the bell. You will receive all notifications very fastly. Now I go to my Telegram, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. Have your core mining. If you want to increase your mining, please join now. Share your hash card and gift card. Other option, you can collect your essential card from my Telegram group. Many of the people joining my Telegram group share their opinion and also share their hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. So I request you, please share your hash card and gift card. Code will be extend now 18 December. So if have a more time. So I hope if you earn any one core coin, please join now. And I also request you join now in core mining app. So how to join this? So come to my playlist option, choose the core mining registration video, and now click this video. First video, I also may make this all code related registration video and face verification. So if you watch this video, if it's easy for your joining the core mining. And other option, how to get this link. Here is a video description available for link available here. So you can only one choose anyone is. So and click this option. Now when you complete this, and now this second video, play it. And here is a gift card, how to use this gift card and how to increase your money, all everything here. Here is a gift card have available here, so you can easily use this and increase your mining power. And other when you complete this task, now third video will be opening. And also this part all Twitter account opening, and also what need Twitter account in Satoshi code. So I show this. So it's need for core mining, increase your mining power. So other option, how to increase your hash power, and also big card exchange video, and also how to add the MetaMask in your wallet. It's very easy process. So I request you, if you do not add this MetaMask, please watching this video and must be add this core add network. So other option, how to get 3k and 10k hash power every day. I was show this video. So if you watch this video, you will be get benefit for core mining. Now I go to my main topic. Previously I also make this video. This site all instant payout site. This site name doggy mining site. This site name is 𝑮𝑰𝑭𝑚 miners. You want to earn Dogecoin, it's very easy. So I request you, I also previous video, if you watch this video, you will easily join this site. So you need to when you click this my video link, you will easily come this site, and you need a Dogecoin address. So go to your wallet address and select the Doge address, and now paste this. It's very easy. So I know I want to not show this process in this video. If I also added video link in the pop-up menu and also video description link. You can easily watch this and keep joining now. I also this site instant payout in your wallet. So you need to force it. I request to you. There is a very important thing. You need to Dogecoin address, but it must be faucet pay account. Okay, otherwise other you can use any wallet address. You cannot withdraw from this site. So you need to faucet pay account. So you how to join this faucet pay account. Please click this option, video description option. You can easily faucet pay account. And if you search my faucet pay account joining video, here is available here, so you can watch this video. So account history, here is every time account history show you this side instant payout. So I try now I try to show you here is a many time so withdraw from this side. Now I reinvestment and also deposit in this side. So if you want to reinvest it, please click this option. Are you withdraw from this side? You easily withdraw from this side. That is my deposit amount. Now I show you. I request to withdraw from this side. Now click this option. Select this amount. Okay, if you select this amount and now confirm request, it will be processing for in wallet address. So waiting for how many time they will pay me. So last pay, I refresh it. Okay, I already received this my the site all instant payout. So I request to you, please join now and keep mining. So if you want to buy this miner, please click this option. Here is a how to amount or minimum 11 or 1 doggy needed, and also 12 doggy, sorry, 12 doggy needed. And also if you want to reinvestment, please click this option and amount, minimum amount available, you account available here, then you will reinvestment now. So what do you thinking this video is useful to you? Please join now. And have you have a question, please type my video description and also type in my Telegram group. I also try to feedback to you. I hope you cannot face any problem because of another video available here, joining video. So you watch this video, you will be easily join this site. So pray for money every time, remember to Allah, take care of yourself, and don't forget subscribe my channel, and don't forget joining my Telegram group. Take care of yourself, ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।